So now that my Cobot system is online, in the top left corner, I'm going to click the tab that says Run. And you can see currently the loaded program is the Put into Box program. But what I want to do is I want to click Load Program, weldingprogram.urp, and then Open. And then from here, I'm going to click Play, and then play from beginning. And now you can see my Cobot arm is moving into the desired position. And this is the position that's going to allow me to install that 4th 6mm bolt and install my smart puck. Thank you so much for watching.